Hi, this is Stacy Plaskett. As we celebrate the 30th Head Start Awareness Month, I encourage everyone to recognize the benefits the program has provided to over 37 million children, both in the immediate term and over the course of their lives. This is an opportunity to spread awareness about the crucial support that Head Start provides to children of low-income families by providing a framework to meet their social, emotional, psychological, nutritional, and health needs. The Head Start program was launched in 1965 by President Lyndon B. Johnson as an 8-week demonstration project designed to help break the cycle of poverty. 57 years later, the program continues to promote the school readiness of infants, toddlers, and preschool-age children in a variety of settings, including centers, family childcare, and children's homes. Furthermore, this vital program engages parents and other key family members in positive relationships with a focus on family well-being and creates opportunities for participation in leadership roles, including feedback on program operations. In the Virgin Islands, the Head Start program promotes the development of our future generation and provides the necessary support to enable parents to fulfill their roles and move towards self-sufficiency. The Virgin Islands Department of Human Services received more than $1.2 million in Head Start funding through the American Rescue Plan Act, and more recently, a $42.4 million grant for the construction and restoration of Head Start facilities territory-wide with a zero local match requirement. I will continue to advocate for the children of the Virgin Islands and remain unwavering in my commitment to ensuring we provide this vital support. As a mother, as a Virgin Islander, I want to say Happy Head Start Awareness Month.